Shadows of St. James Town. Welcome to St. James Town, Canada's most densely populated block radius. Amidst its hustle and bustle, a darker reality lingers: violence.
One of the hardest things that I had to overcome in my teen years was cremating one of my best friends on my 18th birthday. I lost him to one of the buildings here for a brutal murder. But thanks to YouTube, I get to release that trauma into the universe. Early Sunday morning, walking through Bleecker Street. Definitely things have changed compared to 20 years ago. Haven't heard any negative stories the first hour of walking around. So while I was doing my drone shot, I got approached by a resident who wanted to speak to me. So here's what he had to say. All right, I'm here with a long-term resident,
Yes.
Tom, right?
Yes.
Tom, how long you been living in this neighborhood?
I've been here for 18 years. Though.
18 years.
Yes.
And have you encountered any violent situations?
As
Or doing your daily stuff, you know?
Okay,
but-
I'm doing like I last encounter that I heard, but I'm not exactly that I'm there.
yeah.
I think the guy who got shot.
Uh,
But I heard that, but I'm not witness, so I don't know the full story.
Yeah.
Then after that, it's very this place. Let's say it's based on my experience. I do like good experience in here, good neighborhood. You know, it's for the transportation.
So if you go to work and you mind your own business, you're fine here. You know
Oh
what to
yeah,
say?
yeah.
So if you're involved in other business, then it could be a problem.
Let's say I'm a citizen always following the rules.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yes.
you have no issues here.
There's
Everything's
no issue,
good.
you know, friendly neighborhood and everything, good vibes and everything, you know, just come, go to work,
Yeah.
inhale, exhale, go home, safe and sound.
Nice, nice. So you pretty much work with everybody. You get along with everybody. No issues whatsoever.
As far as I can, I try to be friendly to anybody, you know, good
Yeah.
vibes always though.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Thank you for your time. I
Of
greatly
course.
appreciate it. You
Yeah,
have
thank
an
you, sir.
amazing day.
You sir, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Stay safe, God bless you.
God bless
Bye.
you.
Violence, St. James Town, home to immigrants from all corners of the world. A community united by their dreams. But behind closed doors, some are forced to confront a harsh and often brutal reality. St. James Town is a unique neighborhood, rich in diversity and culture. However, poverty and limited resources create an environment where violence can take. Poverty and limited resources play a significant role in perpetuating violence. Lack of access to education, employment opportunities, and affordable housing leaves many feeling trapped and desperate. But in the face of adversity, St. James Town refuses to surrender. Our community centre serves as a safe haven, empowering young individuals to rise above their circumstances. By providing mentorship, educational programs, and recreational activities, we aim to break the cycle. Organizations like this are helping to nurture a brighter future for the youth of St. James Town, giving them the tools they need to overcome poverty and violence. Amidst the struggles, St. James Town has a unique sense of community. In the face of adversity, neighbors come together to support one another, foster
Today, it's a different story. A lot of smiles. People are going on with their days. I did not see much criminal activity in my 2 hours here, but I did see that the community is working together. Some organizers had an event for the children. All I seen was good things. So I'm happy to the improvements in St. James Town. If you made it this far, hit the like button. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Until next time, peace.